Alright, hello there. Let's have another blade feature for this episode here at Hagbayon Channel. By the way, I'm your host. I'm Jason. I'm an entrepreneur, college professor, writer, rock guitarist, martial arts enthusiast, practitioner, researcher, bladesman. I'm also into blades building, blades research. I'm into the outdoors, prepping, and survivalism as well. I take them as a useful hobby. Alright, pardon the noise of the area where I am in. Let's go back to our blade feature. Readily, you will see that the blade is Bikol blade. Bikol is in the Philippines, and the Philippines is in Southeast Asia. It is composed of three major islands, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And the Bicol region is in southern Luzon. You will see that the blade has really nice engraving, carvings on the scabbard and on the hilt itself. Now the hilt is actually made of carabao horn or water buffalo horn, and it is carved as Bicol Tenegre. Bicol Tenegre. For more information on Bicol blade hilt carving, you might want to check. You might want to check our previous episodes on the topic here at Hagbayon. Right. Tang rivet or our barat or arag barat is made of bronze. Firul or tikala is made of bronze. Bakurong or scabbard locks is made of bronze as well. Yeah, there. There, and it's made of one of the premium woods here in the Philippines, Nara. Okay. Which used to be our national tree. On the reverse, here's how it looks like. Now let's look at the blade itself. Okay, the blade is the so-called Bikol Ginunting. Bikol Ginunting. For more information on various Bicol blades profiles, you might want to check our earliest or earlier episodes on the topic. Alright, let's check for the length of the blade. So it's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So it's 21 inches plus 3, 6, 7 inches hilt. 7 inches hilt. So 21 plus 7. The blade is made of 5160 carbon steel. The spine is, I think, around 0.06 or 0.07 millimeters. Okay. So there, it's tempered and alright, sharpened already. Alright, Bicol Ginunting. Okay, Bicol Ginunting for you. So this is for our blades research and Philippine blades information for the benefit of all blades enthusiasts and blades builders as well. Alright, Jason here for the Hagbayon Channel and TMS Talks. Remember, the pen is mightier with a sword. Thanks for watching.